Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at AeroDef Symposium organized by Philips Machine Tool, and I'm here with Mr. Sunil from BC Instrument. And I would like to know, sir, why did you buy HERMLE machine? Is it for the aerospace application, and how did you like it?
First of all, thank you very much. I'm very happy that I am here today at the AeroDef. I must thank Terence Miranda from Philips and Swapnil, who look after the HERMLE product line. To answer your question, we are in the aerospace business for past 16 years, and as we grew, we were being challenged with more and more difficult materials to machine. So we were in the market. We attended a few exhibitions in Chicago and Munich, and then through word of mouth, actually HERMLE came to us because it is subtle, it is understated, but a very high quality machine now that I have experienced it. The reason to go for HERMLE was also, of course, the high accuracy it holds, the ability to cut high temp metals like titanium and A286 and high nickel content grade. So all in all, we are very satisfied with the decision, and I'm glad we went for HERMLE. And I'm looking at today's demo and the presentations. I'm happy that we made that decision. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.